All right, so we're up here on deck 11, the main pool deck. We're starting off in the midship elevators. Gonna head outside to the pool deck here. All right, so here up on the pool deck, we're heading forward. So here on the left side of the ship, this is going to be the second smoking area on board. So you have this one and the one down on deck number 4. And we have the pool area out here. So you have 2 pools, 4 hot tubs, and a splash area. Hopefully the wind isn't too badly here. So we may have some wind noise as we get out here into the open. But you have the large screen there, which they do movies under the stars. And actually they're fixing to start a movie right now. Looks like we're going to have a Disney movie. Like I said, 4 hot tubs, 2 pools. Come around this way. You have a small stage out here. And of course you have the pool bar right here. And if you want to see the bar menus, you just scan the QR codes right there. Alright, we're going to continue to head towards the front of the ship. And we're going to head up into the adults area, into the Solarium. You have your restrooms. Of course, you have 2 hot tubs and a swimming pool. And I like even the floor in here, how they did the floor. You have your bar. Your Solarium bar is here. You have your swimming pool here. Set in one of the 2 hot tubs. You have another one right on the other side. Keep going forward. Right. The shower. Plenty of loungers, nice padded loungers up here in the adults area. I'm going to go ahead and go inside here on the forward elevators here on deck 11. And of course you have your elevators. See all the way down there to deck 3. Way down there. Come up here to the Vitality Fitness Center, forward here on deck 11. We'll come on in here real quick. And these are stairs up to the Vitality Spa and Salon. But we'll come around here and take a look at the fitness center. It's where they do the spin class. You have all of your cardio equipment. Right over here you have your weight training equipment. And all of your free weights over there. You have your female locker room with your sauna and steam. Got a soda machine here. And the male changing room with sauna and steam in there. Let's head back out to the forward elevator area here on deck 11. Alright, we're going to start heading aft again. So now we're on the right side of the ship heading aft again here on deck 11. Your second hot tub in the adult solarium. Lots of windows, lots of seating. Decorated very Romanesque decorations. Now here is the Tide-in tail. This is where you can buy snorkeling equipment, beach toys, things like that. This is where you can get your towels. And they also have life jackets for the little ones. And your lifeguard station is over on this side. We head back down this way. The second pool, the other two hot tubs are here. And of course you have the kids splash zone, which is right here. Keep coming forward here, or towards the aft of the ship. And back here is going to be the Arctic zone. This is going to be your frozen yogurt station. Back over here is the frozen yogurt station. And then you come back inside here on deck 11. Also here on deck 11 you do have Giovanni's, one of the specialty restaurants. Got a nice little moped out here. You take pictures on that. Quick look at Giovanni's menu. Then you come around here. All right, so we're back at the midship elevators, and we have the Windjammer Cafe. All right, so we are in the Windjammer Cafe. Now the Windjammer Cafe, you have to scan to come in. You have to scan your card to come in. You have to scan your card to exit. It is capacity controlled. And of course you have to wash your hands before they even let you go any further. And we're down here during breakfast time. But there's plenty of seating area. You have your international flavors lines.
Good morning.
They have the carving station, which this morning has bacon on it. Good morning. Good morning. and get your fresh fruit. They have the deli section here. They have the drink stations. And also here on deck 11 are the additional Coke Freestyle machines. I'm gonna stop and get something to drink. I said, all you do is pick whatever you want to drink. This one decided this morning, apparently it's not going to work. Not everything works perfectly, but we'll keep going back. There is one on the other side. We'll go try that one real quick. But there is additional seating area. This is where you get your omelets. Condiment section is back over there. There is a bar in here towards the back. Keep going all the way around. More drink stations. Plenty of seating. This, you got really good views if you sit along the back side. All right, here is the other drink machine. Let's see if this one is going to cooperate. Let's find out. All right. And down this other section, they have it closed on this side right now due to capacity, but on both sides of the cafe, it is the same thing. All right, and once you are done in the buffet, they have a separate entrance and a separate exit. We're going to head out the exit. Thank you. And even when you exit the buffet, you have to scan your sign and sell card again so that they know that you left the buffet. Good morning. Thank you. You too.